color is there, then only recording. Okay. Okay, fine. So today, let's see applications of trigonometry. Applications of trigonometry. Very simple fundamental. So we know the basic formulas in the trigonometry. Those are once again we will discuss. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin theta opposite by hypotenuse. Firstly say cos theta.
Adjacent side by hypotenuse.
All of you. Tan theta.
Opposite by adjacent. Opposite side by adjacent.
Sin theta I can write it as 1 by cosec theta. Cos theta I can write it as 1 by sec
theta.
Tan theta is
1 by cot theta.
1 by cot theta as well as sin theta by cos theta as well as 1 by
cot
theta. Okay. In the same way, what is cosec theta? Cosec theta.
Hypotenuse by opposite 1 by sin theta.
Hypotenuse by opposite 1 by
sin theta.
What is sec theta?
Hypotenuse by adjacent
1 by cos theta. Hey, Dunapota, Nirupam, Chandranchu, Umar, Habib, say cot theta is equal to
adjacent by opposite.
That is equal
Cos
to
theta by sin theta.
cos theta by sin theta. That is equal to
1 by tan theta.
1 by tan theta. Okay, and okay, this we have seen. And one more table we have seen now. What is that table?
Values.
And that also we will see once again. Okay, without this we can't do anything in this chapter. Okay, what are the values first?
Sin, cosec, cot.
Sin theta,
Cos theta, tan theta.
okay, cos theta. You didn't learn, didn't put it. Tan theta,
Cosec theta.
cosec theta,
Sec theta.
sec theta,
Cot theta.
and cot theta. Okay. So the angles are 0 degrees, 30 degrees,
45,
45 degrees, 60 degrees,
90.
90 degrees. The values are 0, 1 by 2,
1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by
1 root 3 by 2,
cos
1
3
by
was
root
1
2,
root 3 by
2,
2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0.
1 by root 3, 1 root 3,
1
infinity.
Not different.
Okay, infinity 2 root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. अरे बच्चा है देखे 1 2 by root 3
By root 3, root 2, 2, not different.
infinity. Okay, infinity root 3 1
Root 3,
1 by root 3
1 by root 3, 0.
Okay, can you see here the question? The tower, first question we are solving. A tower stands vertically on a ground. Okay, from a point. Sir, first tower stands vertically on a ground. He said, na. Try a diagram. So, tower. This is the tower lately. Okay, what is this? Sir? Tower. Which stands vertically on a ground. So this is our ground. Okay. Any doubt till now? Tower stands vertically on a ground from a point which is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. See, from a point which is 15 meter away from the foot of a tower. Where is foot of the tower? This is foot of the tower. No? See, 15 meters away, some point is there. Let it be this is 15 meters. There is one point. How much this distance? 15 meters. Angle of elevation. Here two words they will give. One is angle of elevation, other is angle of depression. So what is that? I will explain first. First listen that. First, what is angle of elevation? Yesterday I told you. What is angle of elevation? When you see upward, okay, from down. Means you are watching trees, buildings. How you watch? Upward, right? So from down, we are in the down and we are watching upward. Then it is called as angle of elevation. No need to say upward, gipward. We'll say angle of elevation. This is called upward. Is that clear? The diagram will come like this. Then what is angle of depression, sir? See, you are upward. You are on a building. Some beautiful girl is going. How you watch her? Like this you watch. So how you watch? Down. Down. So now you are on a building. And one beautiful girl is here. And you are here. So generally how you keep our head is tight. Is that no? Just we down like this, no? Some angle we are decreasing. Some angle we are decreasing. See, actually, how much angle you depress it? This is the angle you depress it. Is that no? We are straight. You keep straight first and look down. How much angle we depress it?
30 degrees.
All of you do. Some angle we depress. This is the angle, na?
Yes.
This is called angle of depression. You didn't understand this. Now, you know alternate interior angles are equal. So this and this are alternate interior angles. No? So these two are equal. So this is theta means this is also theta. Again same diagram. There will be no change in the diagram, but representation is different. Angle of depression. So this is the meaning. This one please note down. So what he said is angle of elevation. How much is the angle of elevation? 45 degrees. Find the height of the tower. See, from here upward he is watching the tower. How much angle? So they are saying this angle is 45 degrees. Am I correct? This forms a triangle or not? How much this distance? 15. This distance is 15 meters. Okay. Triangle ABC. What they want? They want this height. So here you write first. This is theta. Theta is how much? 45 degrees. 45. Then what is given? Adjacent side AB is equal to 15 meter given. What they are asking? Opposite side height they are asking. See, which trigonometric ratio talk about opposite and adjacent? Tan. That formulas you have to know. That's it. What is tan theta formula? Opposite side by all of you, Nirupam, Chandranshu, that one more, Habib. Unmute your mics. Opposite side by adjacent side. What is theta given? Tan 45 is equal to opposite. How? Opposite is h, adjacent is 15. Tan 45 value 1. So can I write 1 by 1? 1 by 1 is equal to h by 15. Cross multiply. 15 into 1, h into 1. That implies h is equal to 15 meters. So completed. How simple it is. Do you understand? Recording not there. Say. So question says that the tree was broken due to the storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground. It has broken and this top is there. This is top class. This touch the ground such that it broken. So let it be. It has broken from here. It has broken from here. Then what happens? This part bends here, na? Like this, and it will touch our ground. Clear? Now this part is there. Now this is there. Straight is there. Now this is not there. This has broken. Okay. Shall I rub this?
Yes.
Understand? Question understand? Now where is your tree? Let it be triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC. Where is your tree completely? Huh? AB is only your tree. ABBC. Very good. So if where is our tree? Our tree is AB plus BC. AB is the down part. BC is what it is? Any doubts in this? Why it has broken? Huh? Storm has. Your voice not audible. Be louder.
Strong.
You only slowly talk in the online also. Okay, and it break ground. You touch the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. How much angle did it? Okay, this is 30 degrees. Now what is saying? The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree is 6 meters. Where is that? What is 6 meter? Tell me. Again I am reading this. The distance between the foot of the tree and top of the tree. Where is the foot of the tree? Very good, excellent. It is AC. It is only AC. See, this is foot, na? This is foot of the tree. This is top of the tree. This distance they are saying. They are saying AC is how much? 6 meter. This one understand? See, this question understanding only important here. Okay. Now what they are asking? What is the height of the tree before falling? So what is the height of the tree before falling? AB plus BC they are asking. Got it? Means they are asking AB, that is opposite. Yes or no? Opposite side they are asking question mark. BC they are asking, that is hypotenuse question mark. They given AC, that is adjacent side. Any doubt in this? And they gave angle 30 degrees. So which trigonometric ratio? One you will use, more than one you need? More than one. First what you will use? Adjacent given. I want opposite. What shall we use? Sin it, cos it, tan it. Array, I want opposite. Adjacent given. What I need? Trigonometric formulas didn't read ma. Sin opposite adjacent. Sin what? Dunnapotullara. Opposite adjacent I am talking. Opposite adjacent tan. Now only first question did. Tan theta formula. Opposite side by adjacent side. What is theta? 30 degrees. Tan 30 is equal to opposite how much? That we have to find out. AB by adjacent how much? 6. Tan 30 formula?
1 by
very good. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. Cross multiply. AB into root 3 is equal to 6 ones are 6. So what is AB value? 6 divided by rationalization you have to do. Compulsory. Into root 3 into root by root. So 6 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Answer? 2 root 3. So AB is equal to 2 root 3. Okay. Is there any doubt in this? Simple one, na? Okay. Now what? One more they want. What is that?
hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse they want. Adjacent they give. See, adjacent given, na? Adjacent given, hypotenuse they want. What do you use? Adjacent hypotenuse. Cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is cos 30? Now cos 30 is equal to substitute. Say all of you. Adjacent how much? Adjacent you have. Adjacent is 6 meter. 6 by hypotenuse. You have to find out. Okay, BC. Root 3 by 2 is equal to 6 by BC. Cross multiply. Niharika, are you there? 6 to the 12. So BC is with Rohini. Are you understanding? Rohini. 3 ones are 3 fours are. Answer? 4 root 3 meters. Here also meters. So what they are asking? AB plus BC. So 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3. 6 root 3 is the answer. But also you write it. Here I don't have space. Understand? They are asking AB plus BC. That is 2 root 3 plus 4 root 3. That is equal to 6 root 3. You have to write the height of the tree before length is equal to 6 root 3. Shall I explain once again? Next question. Okay, you try this one is simple only. Shall I explain? Try this one is simple. Next one we will do. See, length of a shadow. This is an Arabic. Habib, listening. Padmasri. Your name Padmasri. You want Padmasri award? Huh? Padma Bhushan you get. You might have given. You change your name in 10th class. Padma Bhushan or Padma Vibhushan. Aim for the bigger. Got it? Okay. You stand up. Stand up. Where is your shadow showing? All of you check your shadow. Stand up. Where your the wall is found, not wall, ground. Shadow falls on ground. Where it is where is the shadow falls? How you are like this? Shadow is like this. Listen, if you join these two, triangle forms, and that only he says. The length of the shadow 15 meter have a high pole. The pole is there. Length of the shadow is 15 meter. Pole is 15 root 3 meter. Understand? Pole height. Your height how much? 4 feet little. Your shadow that much long will be. Sometimes more than that, sometimes shorter. You can want the light, how it will fall on us. So here the length of the shadow is 15 meter. Pole height is 15 root 3 meter. Got it? Any doubt? So let this is the pole. This is where shadow will form. Here sunlight is the little. Here where shadow form? Shadow where fall? Ground only, na?
Ground.
This is the shadow of the pole. Black color. Understand? Understand that? Black color not visible. Huh? Shadow not visible. Understand? This is what?
Shadow.
How much? 15 meter shadow. This is 15 root 3 4. So wherever you are, shadow falls on the ground only. Shadow do not fall here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's what I want to clear. And what? Then what is the angle of elevation of the sun and the ground? Time positive. Angle they are asking. Angle of elevation means this only. What they give? Opposite they give. Adjacent they give. Wait. Angle they are asking. What trigonometric ratio you use? Tan. Do it. Homework.
10.
Don't write. Simple question. If you write it is next question we are going. Okay, next question you see. Isn't it? If you want to set up, listen all of you. Chandran, are you there? You want to set up a pole of height 10 meter vertically with a support of 3 ropes. Generally, you see current poles, they tie some support poles, wires, without, it should not fall. Generally in Hyderabad we do not see, but in villages we see. A pole is there means they will tie one support. Okay, let it be, you take a function, they will keep on one pole means they will tie supports, na? You know? You don't know. Can you make it stand vertically without any support? You have to tie some supports. Strongly should be. So like that, how many poles they kept? 3 poles. 3 wires they kept for one pole. Let it be. This is a pole. Okay. So this is ground. So they tie 3 wires. One. How many wires they tie? 1. This is 2. All are not visible, but just they tied. 3. 1 if we find, multiply by 3 we can do now. Okay. They tied. Pole height is 10 meter. Okay, this is 10 meter. Prachi, why you didn't come? 10 meter. Okay, 3 poles tied. Each rope is making an angle of 30 degrees with the pole. Listen this. Each rope make an angle of 30 degrees with the pole. The length of the rope is. Okay, fine. They are asking length of the rope. This is only the rope. So this they are asking. This is X. Triangle ABC. Where is the angle they give? At A they give or C they give? At C. With the pole they said, na? This is 30 degrees they give. Good. Now, tell me what they asked, what they have given. Theta given? How much? 30 degrees. And what they gave? Adjacent. Very good. Adjacent they give. Adjacent side is 10 meter. What they are asking? AC they are asking. Hypotenuse they are asking. That's it. What trigonometric ratio you take? Cos you take. This also shall I do? No need. No? And after answer you get 3 times of AC you have to do. Why? 3 ropes are there. Good. Very fantastic. Rohini, once again shall I explain that? Girls, sir. Now one by one I will talk. Suppose you are shooting an arrow. You are shooting an arrow. Arrow, you know. Did you shoot any time? I also did shoot. You shoot it. Okay. Suppose you are shooting an arrow. Small at the childhood, let's see. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building of height 6 meters. Where are you now? Top of the building. To a target on the ground. Then what we call angle of elevation or depression? That angle given 60 degrees. The diagram we will draw first. This fellow don't have any worker. This is Bhallala. Who is he? Bahubali from top of the tower he did shoot. Did he shoot? Not shoot. Bhallala shooted. No? Here Bhallala is there. Bhallala shooting. So he shooted one arrow on the ground. Understand? So angle of depression means this you have to represent. Remember, told you already. How much it is? 60 degrees. If this is 60, it will be 60. Any doubt in this diagram? Okay. Triangle ABC. Anything given? That's a 6 meter height building. This is building. Diagrams clearly you are writing like how I am writing building, tower, all these things. So shadow. Angle of depression is 60 degrees. Okay. What is the distance between you and the object? Where are you? See, where is object? What they are asking? Very good. Given theta given 60 degrees. What else given? BC given. What is BC? Opposite. Opposite given. That is the 6 meter. They are asking AC. Very good. You are here. Object is this. Target is this. So they are asking distance between you and target. That is important. AC, hypotenuse is question mark. What you will use? Tan. Tan of opposite is there, you there. Sine. Opposite hypotenuse. Next question. See, electrician is there. Want to repair electric pole of height 9 meter. Okay, first electric pole we will draw. So this is electric pole. Okay. You know, general, this is ground. General electrician, he will go up. He will sit on the top. No. He will climb up to some height. Up to here he climb. Here maybe wires will be there, he will repair. Yes or no? This you know, everyone know, no? Okay, what is the pole height given? 9 meter height. This total height is 9 meter. Total height is clear? Okay. He need to reach 1.8 meter below the top of the pole. Same. Our concept is correct. He need to reach 1.8 meter below the top. This is top, no? This is 1.8 only, right? So this value is 1.8. Then how much this value? 9 minus 1.8, 7.2. Correct? So this value is 7.2. Means he climbed up to 7.2 meter height. Is this clear? Up to here any doubt? Sahasrika, Asfa?
No, sir.
Okay. Up to here clear. What should be the length of the ladder he should use to reach by making an angle of 60 degrees with the ground? He is using ladder. He is not climbing. Okay. Just he kept ladder like this. This is, we use ladder like this only, no? Making an angle of 60 degrees with the ground. This length they are asking. Up to here only, he will keep ladder. Here. Up to where he want to reach, there he will keep. This is the ladder. Ladder is A. This triangle is A, B, C. Clear? What is they asking? What will be the distance between the foot of the ladder and the foot of the pole? They are asking, you see. What will be the distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole? Where is the foot of the ladder? What is foot of the ladder? A. Very good. What is foot of the pole? Very good. So what they are asking? This they are asking. Good. So what they give? Angle? 60 degrees. And what else they give? Opposite side. Opposite side, what is opposite side? Very good. 7.2 we should take. Understand that one? This is the difference in this. VC, that is 7.2 meter. What they are asking? BA, that is adjacent. That is equal to question mark. What do you use? Can you use? Shall I do this, sir? No need. So you do not make me to do. So you want to note on this diagram? Yes, sir, note on. Question number 8. Are you listening, all of you? A boat. Boat, you know? There we sit on the river. Did you travel on boat any time? No. One time. Did you travel? When? From where to where? Speak in English, right? A boat has to cross a river. The river is there, it has to cross it. It crossed the river making an angle of 60 degrees with the bank of the river. Due to stream, the river travels 6,000 meters to reach the another side of the river. Okay, generally, let's talk about this. Which color you want? Yellow. It looks brighter. Neatly it is visible. Okay, this is a river ray. Imagine. This is river. What is this? This is water. This is water. These are all water. Water will be blue in color. Tank pond water is black. I have to draw. No. This is Sri Shailam river. Now you are here. Who is this one? You. Okay. And this fellow this boat want to reach to this side. River always travel, you know. River won't be stagnant. So let it be river is flowing in this way. This is the flow of the river. Clear? Akka?
Yes, sir.
So you want to reach to this side opposite, exactly here. Here biryani is there, so you want to go and eat the biryani on the boat. Understand?
Yes, sir.
If I travel like this, can you go? In which direction you will go? If you straightly travel, then you will reach here. Why? Very good, very good. Because river is flowing, na? If you want to reach here, how you should row the river boat like this? You don't understand. If you travel in this direction, then by the flow of the river you will reach here. Understand it?
Yes, sir.
This is the concept of the river. So I have to row the boat in this direction. Clear? Huh?
Yes, sir.
That's what he is saying. The boat has to cross the river. It crosses the river by making an angle of 60 degrees with the bank of the river. Where is the bank of the river? This is the bank of the river. This is the bank of the river. Bank means, you know, Oddu. So, this angle is 60 degrees. Or you can say, this angle also 60 degrees. Alternate interior angles equal, right? Such that you reach here, straight. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And one more, he said, due to the stream of the river, that is flow of the river, the boat travels 600 meters. So, boat travel this one, you know. See, he said that boat travel with the bank, the boat travels 600 meters to reach the other side of the river. So, this is the distance boat travel. Okay. So, hypotenuse they give. Hypotenuse AC is equal to 600 meter. AB adjacent is equal to question mark. Hypotenuse adjacent. What you will use? Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos 60 is equal to adjacent x question mark by hypotenuse 600. Cos 60 root 1 by 2. No? What is the answer? 300. Opposite, not it is. AB adjacent, not opposite. AB opposite, not it? You say adjacent. So what you use? Sign you should use. One time wrong, the other time it won't be wrong. Sin 60, actually this data has to be given very clearly. Sin 60 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 is equal to opposite x by hypotenuse 600. Cross multiply. 2x is equal to 600 root 3. X is equal to 600 root 3 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 300s are. So answer is x is equal to 300 root 3 meter. Is this the answer? That's it. An observer means human being can be there. Huh? Height 1.8 meter. Let it be. You are the observer. Padma Shri. Height 1.8 meter. He is 13 meter away from the palm tree. What tree? So some tree is there. You are standing 13 meter away, 13.2 meter away from a palm tree. Okay. So let this is tree. What tree? These are tree. So you are standing 13 meter, 2 meter away. This is ground. This is what? This is palm. And you are here. Who is this one? Padma Shri. Observer Padma Shri. This observer height given this time. How much? See 1.8 meter observer height. See observer. Now let's up to here clear na diagram. Observer is there, palm tree is there, 13 meter away. Any doubt in this? Online. Okay. Angle of elevation is how you observe. Rise up or down? Up. Down we are saying? Online. Up. Angle of elevation to the top of the tree. Look up. 45 degrees with from his eyes. See, this observer look from eyes or legs? Eyes. So with eyes, this observer is looking. Angle of elevation is, you need a right angle. This triangle it is. Cross it. Adi gidi what all? 20 sit-ups you do. This angle is they are saying. Understand? How much this angle? 45 degrees. Any doubt in this? From the eyes, this is observer eyes. Padma Shri eyes. Padma Shri looking like this. 45 degrees. Now it forms a triangle. This is triangle A, B, C. This is 40. If this is 13.2, can I say this is also 13.2? Both are same only, no? Yes. So what they gave? Angle given? 45 degrees. Very good. AB given. Adjacent side. That is 13.2. Now they may ask height of the tree. Huh? What is the height of the tree? Height of the tree they are asking. Now we will find first BC. BC question mark. What is this opposite? Huh? What do you use? Adjacent opposite. But still it didn't come to your brain. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent. Tan 45 is equal to opposite how much? BC. Adjacent how much? 13.2. Tan 45 1 na? So 1 is equal to BC by 13.2. Cross multiply. BC is equal to 13.2 meters. Understand? Now actually what they are asking that you tell. Height of the tree. Actually they are not asking this. They are asking height of the tree. What is height of the tree? This is not height of the tree. D. Let it be this is D. Height of tree is CD. We found CB. CB plus BD is equal to CD. No? CB value how much we found? 13.2. DD value 1.8. This 1.8 you have to add. Total 15 meter is the height of the tree. Understand? Important model. Shall I explain once again? Important I said, so you are asking me to again explain. In the adjacent figure is given. AC is 6, AB is 5, angle is 30, area of the time positive. What they are asking? Okay, this is the diagram they give. Area of the triangle, anyone say the formula? Half into base into height, na? But this is applicable only for right angle triangle. Height should be there. Latitude should be there. So, from P you drop one perpendicular. Understand? So, this is height. Base is 6. What is the concept you know? Area of triangle form. Base is 6. Base B is equal to 6 meter given, but height not given. You have to find out height. Now you see this triangle. Triangle ABD. You watch carefully. You don't watch anything. Just watch that. Hypotenuse given. What is hypotenuse? 5 centimeter. Angle given 30 degrees. And they are asking opposite only, na? BD. BD is height. That is equal to opposite. You find height here, substitute here. What? Sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Sin 30 is equal to opposite is h by hypotenuse 5. Sin 30 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to h by 5. That is plus h is equal to 5 by 2. That is 5 by 2 centimeter. Understand? Substitute here. Half into base 6 into height 5 by 2. 6 5 is 30. 30 by 4. 30 by 4 is 15 by 2. 7.5 centimeter square. Area centimeter square. Over. Don't understand? Time pass question it is. See, first we found height by using this triangle concept. Half into, then we utilized it in half into base into height. Any doubt? That's it for today.